In this video guide, we will give you instructions on how to get rid of the pop-up windows that are associated with the site Lybasisihave.online. Definitely, when you try to analyze what this website is all about, it doesn't really make any decent sense at all. The website tries to make you subscribe to its web push notifications. It may tell you that you need to tap the special Allow button to continue your browsing or to close this page. There are some other variants used by the pop-up to force you into clicking on the special Allow button. For example, it could tell you that you need to do that for the purpose of age verification, or for proving that you are not a robot, or for some other reasons. However, it is a mistake to click on that Allow button or somehow else to interact with these pop-ups. Whenever the Allow button is clicked by mistake, the browser will redirect you to a lot of other questionable sites. Sometimes these may be really filthy sites or the web pages that may infect your computer with a lot of other potentially unwanted programs. So, what to do if you have clicked on Allow button and now see the great multitude of pop-up ads in the right bottom part of your screen? Now, that's a good question, and of course you need to have a good solution to get your browser fixed. So, go to the menu, go to Settings, scroll down to the special area named Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings. Now you will be in the permissions and you need to choose notifications. Pay careful attention to the bottom of the list that displays websites allowed to send notifications. And if you see this Lybasisihave.online, you need to click on this related button and remove the website from this list. So if you see any other junk sites, remove them in the similar manner. Now, I would also recommend you to research your computer additionally with the help of the reliable and powerful antivirus software, for instance, with the help of Combo Cleaner. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com, download the application and start examining your system in order to be convinced that there are no any other adware or malware traces on your system. After you successfully download and install the software Combo Cleaner, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan type available. The premium version also gives you full system scan and custom scan. So you may click on Start Scan button and the program will begin the analysis of your Windows computer. You may get back and experiments with some preferences or settings of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner works very well at protecting your computer against all contemporary kinds of threats, including ransomware. So the premium version gives you excellent protection against all current ransomware type infections. By the way, you may add a special folder that will protect your data in that folder. But again, that's the part of the premium version only. So while the quick scan is in progress, the program will give you the report about all kinds of infections that may be the part of your Windows computer right now. The scanning will take at least several minutes, I would say, and then at the end of scan you will see the complete summary of all threads that are currently available on your Windows computer. So you simply need to wait a bit until the scanning is over to see the detailed report. Then, at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of threads. It will also give you the location of each specific thread and what it does with your computer. You may remove all these threads, however, by upgrading to the premium version of the program or by asking for a limited period of time of full trial key.